Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. How has New Year's been treating everybody? Let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler that has been revealed for the March BoxyLuxe box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. It was my video about Yes Oh Yes closing. So congratulations, Amber Marino. And of course, Amber put these eek faces. I like to call them eek faces. I don't know what they are. It's like, ooh, that's pretty bad. Yeah, but I'm with you, girl. Trust me, I didn't get no heads up on it either, and I was an affiliate, so I just don't understand it. But anyways, I appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Alright, again, this is for the March BoxyLuxe box. First, I'm going to show you what we already had revealed, and then I'm going to show you the new spoiler. So the first items are all choice items. Now, if you did not choose, of course, BoxyCharm will choose one of these for you, so you will get one of these items. The first thing is the Tarte Cosmetics Pro Remix Palette. Next up is the SelfTaught Beauty Mini Hair Curling Iron, or the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for eyes. Alright guys, so the next thing is going to be the new spoiler they just revealed. So next up is the PMD. This is the Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Do y'all remember when we seen this in a sneak peek? It was, wow, it's been a couple months ago, y'all, but we knew it was going to come into a future box. Now we know which box it's coming in. So guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, AC. AC says, I love your crazy kitten. Y'all, AC, I really appreciate that, honey. Thank you so much. I love him so much too, but I tell you, he gets into everything. I'm just so ready for him to get out of that toddler stage. You know, kittens go through a toddler stage. I don't think they ever quite come out, but I'm ready for it. But I thank you so much, honey, for showing me support and watching my video. I love you so much. Thank you. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.